What's up, gang? We are back at it again with another video, and I want to give a huge, let me get my box right side up, humongous shout out to Mystery Tackle Box for sponsoring this video. We got our first MTB Pro box in the mail yesterday. This is going to be July's box. So when we crack this bad boy open, we're going to see what's inside of here, and we're going to find out what you guys are going to be potentially getting in your MTB boxes this month. So let's tape cut. Let's bust this thing open. All right, starting out, we got a super sick sticker from Catchco. That is a sick sticker. That's definitely going on my tackle box. So we'll pull that out to the side. Obviously, we got our what's inside card that's going to give you a showcase of what all of our baits are, approximate cost of everything. Looks like we've got, how many baits in this box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 baits in this box. In total, got us a little MTB word search, some dibble tips and tricks from the boys over there at MTB. Give you a little help for what you want to throw, what comes in the box. All right, look at this stuff here. This box off rip. Looks like we got some goods in there. So we got a Lucky Craft LCRTO. That right here is this square bill crankbait right there. This is going to be a shallow diving crank. This looks like this is going to be 2 to 5 foot diving crank right there. That's got some awesome color on it. That flake pattern is male gill. Yeah, that looks like a male bluegill. It's a sweet bait. Put that to the side right there. Number 2 on the list is the Strike Pro Gill Raker. That would be this bad boy right there. Look at that. That thing right there is an absolute beauty. But yeah, this is a sinking bait. It weighs 3/8 of an ounce. That is going to be a killer swim bait to throw right around this time of year. Swim baits are really popping right now. Summertime raking, definitely going to be throwing some swim baits. Number 2 on the list, Carl's Amazing Baits, the Runt. This bad boy right here is something serious. Look at that. That right there is sick. I like that. I'm loving the colors on that right there. It's got a small bill on the front of it. This is going to be a diving bait as well, 0 to 3 feet. That thing has got some amazing color. It's got a little rooster tail on the back end of it. Definitely looks like something that's going to get it done. It's a good looking bait. Color is chartreuse gill. That's sweet. Let's put that in the box. Get that to the side. Number 4 on the list, we got a good old Catchco spinnerbait Pro Series in the box this month. It's a good looking spinnerbait right there. You got 2 willow blades on there, gold and silver. That thing is going to definitely put off some good flash in the water, and that is a 3/8 ounce spinnerbait. That thing right there is going to do some damage. Throwing this thing around shallow cover, anywhere that there's going to be bait fish schooling, that right there is going to get it done. You definitely want to throw that. Then we've got number 5 on the list, the Lucky John Wacky Hammer Stick. That right there, those look like little bitty swim baits, like small, like almost like fluke style. These look like these would pair really well with something like a drop shot. Yeah, that looks like that'll actually do really good on a drop shot. It says that these have some impregnated scent and taste. Ooh, boy, them things got some stank on them. That right there is definitely gonna get the bass munching. That color is really nice as well. Wakasagi, and that smells like some wakasagi too. So last but not least, the last thing in the box is a Stickies trailer hook. This right here is going to pair really well with our spinnerbait. The trailer hook. Most people throw a trailer or some sort on there, like a grub tail worm or something like that. Something to put off a little flick in the water. Man, it's easy just to go simple. Throw a trailer hook on there. This one already has the rubber sleeve on it, so that, you know, most people are using like some medical grade rubber tubing to add to the eyelet of their hook, and then that keeps your hook in one spot on your trailer hook. So we're going to plug that in on there, and that's definitely going to keep that hook nice and stable and where we want it at. We're not going to have any issues out of that. You guys, be looking out for your mystery tackle boxes to be showing up in the next couple of days if they haven't already, and hopefully you get some of these awesome baits in your box this month. And again, I want to give a huge shout out to Mystery Tackle Box for sponsoring this video. We can't wait to get some of this stuff taught on, and we're going to go out here and we're going to throw this stuff around at the pond that's directly behind us. So yeah, let's get to it.